Hello everyone. Have you ever worked with databases before? If so, I bet you have faced some challenges writing SQL queries at one point or another. Today I'm excited to show you SebasQL, a powerful AI agent that understands natural language requests and transforms them into SQL queries. It's perfect for anyone who wants to explore or analyze their data without getting tangled in complex SQL syntax. So let's dive right in. So currently I'm on SebasQL's chat interface. Let me select a database from the list. So HR Analytics. This is a typical database you'll find in many organizations' HR departments, often used to analyze employee attrition, satisfaction, and so on. Now that I have chosen a database, I'll pick the table I want to give SebasQL read access to. From the list, I see employee attrition, which looks relevant, so let's connect it. And my first question is show the distribution of employees based on education levels. I've just submitted the query, and by the way, all the tables we will be using in this demo come from Kaggle. These datasets are purely illustrative and have no connection to OneReach employees. And here's our result. That's a comprehensive breakdown, exactly the sort of answer I was hoping for, so that's great. Next, I'll ask something a bit more analytical. Do employees with longer tenure have higher performance rating? While I wait, let me point out that we often assume seasoned employees might show better performance. So let's see if our data supports that notion. And interesting, so it's quite balanced. I was expecting some variation, but this is a good insight. Now I want to see how SebasQL handles more complex queries. And here's my request. How many employees have been with the company for more than 1 year, have never been promoted, and have a high performance rating? So let's give the agent a second. It needs to filter multiple conditions at once, so it might take a moment to process. And here's our results. That's a quite thorough, and I love the breakdown by department. Now let's zero in on a few real examples. I'll type, can you also show at least 5 of them? And while it processes, I'm anticipating a list of actual employees or roles with more details like job satisfaction, income, and etc. So nice, the answer is here. That's exactly what I was looking for, some real examples of individuals. So SebasQL handled queries on a single table pretty impressively. Now let's make things a bit more challenging. And first of all, let's start a fresh chat with SebasQL. I'll select another database from the list, grocery sales. This dataset has 7 different tables, and now SebasQL is linking the tables. And meanwhile, this database tracks grocery sales, customers, products, employees, and locations. So perfect for spotting trends and business insights. Alright, tables are ready, so let's run some queries. And my first question is, show me the top 5 best selling products by a quantity. And let's wait a few seconds for the response to come in. So here's the output. That's concise and gives me a clear ranking. Looks like T took first place. Now I want to check something potentially sensitive. The question like who are the lowest performing salespeople? Though it sounds harsh, it's a question that might come up in real life sales discussions. So let's see what SebasQL gives us. And well, the answer is revealing and holistic. Now I want to see how well the agent can merge multiple tables for a single query. So I ask how do discounts affect total revenue and quantity sold for different products. It's definitely more complex because it has to consider sales, discounts, product details, and revenue calculations, and I'm eager to see how it navigates that. So, and here it is. This is exactly the type of multi-table analysis I was hoping to see. It's incredibly handy to get such specific figures in answer. And now let's take a peek at how the AI agent interface is set up. I'm now showing the AI agent's general tab on my screen. Here's an important field called objective. This is the instruction that determines how SebasQL behaves. Essentially, it guides the agent to rely solely on actual data and to generate relevant SQL queries, and the database schema and column descriptions will be dynamically set in the flow with real data. Also, agent has just two actions, say to produce textual responses and execute SQL query to actually run SQL against the database. Now I'm switching over to the sessions tab to find my previous conversation, and let's take a quick look at the last query I asked. So yeah, I found it. The agent generated the following SQL. As you can see, that's a fairly advanced query, leveraging a common table expression and multiple columns from different tables. Really cool to see. So the agent then returns some data in JSON format, which is got after running that SQL. And the agent ended up executing a few additional queries to refine the result based on my prompts until it gave me exactly what I asked for. And now let's take a look at the decision tree, our flow. Right away you can see it's not that big. The most important step here is, of course, run agent. At this step, we simply select our agent and all the settings are automatically applied. The only thing we need to adjust is the objective, since we have to pass real values for database schema and column descriptions. And as you can see, setting up an agent on the Generative Studio X platform is a straightforward process that doesn't require deep coding knowledge. Alright, I guess time to wrap things up. Throughout the demo, we saw how SebasQL effortlessly handles both simple and complex queries, even across multiple tables. The entire setup, from defining the objective to integrating the database schema, was done with minimal effort. So this makes it a powerful tool for businesses and data analysts who need quick insights without manually writing SQLs. So that's everything I wanted to showcase for now. I hope this demonstration gives you a clear idea of what SebasQL can achieve with just a few conversational comments. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing how you use this agent in your own data projects. So take care and see you soon.